How to wire sprinkler valves. Mother Nature doesn't always water the lawn on a regular basis. Human lawn intervention is required. But as chores and commitments pile up, watering the lawn tends to lose priority until it loses its green luster. Wiring sprinkler valves, especially to a timer, saves you time. Instead of standing outside for a few minutes, you set a timer or flick a switch. Check local ordinances governing working on electrical wiring. Contact your housing community for electrical wiring work regulations specific to your community. Review the safety instructions involved with working with wires. See resources below. Turn electric power leading to the sprinkler valves off. Treat each wire as a live wire, and use rubber-coated tools, clothing and footwear designed for electrical work. Notice that there are 2 wires sticking out of each valve. Grab 1 wire from each valve, and tie them around one another. Grab the wire that you're going to run from these sprinkler valves to the timer. Take one of the strands on this timer wire, strip it off, and wrap the exposed wire around the valve wires you originally twisted together in step 2. Know that this will be your ground connection. Grab a wire connector and connect it to the wires you've just twisted together. Turn your attention to the unconnected wires on each sprinkler valves, as well as the remaining wire strands on the timer wire. Strip the protective coating from the next wire strand on the timer wire, then twist it together with the first valve's unmarried wire. Connect both wires with the wire connector. Repeat this step with each remaining valve. Run the timer wire underground until you get to the timer. Use wire staples to keep the wire in place. Grab the end of the timer wire, and connect 1 wire strand to 1 screw on the wire screw terminal. Know that the wire strands on the timer wire are color-coded to assist you in identifying the wires connected to the valves. Tips warnings. Assume that you're working on live wires even if you know that you've turned the power source off. Have someone qualified in CPR, or who could call for emergency help, standing by while you wire sprinkler valves.